Everyone, this is Madison Hannah and I'm back with another video, and I apologize so much that I haven't been making any videos lately, but I've been really busy. I had a ImagineCon camp yesterday that I went to, which was about like anime stuff, and then I don't like anime, but I met some friends there. I went with Jessica Tatum, my friend, and Abby Espinosa, and Trinity, and that's all I think. I may have missed one, but not because I hate them. But we met some new friends. There was one friend that we met, but I didn't really like her. She said, I wasn't upset that she said bad words because, I hear it all the time at school anyway, so I can't be mad. But, I don't know. I didn't hate her. I just didn't like her. Sorry, I keep looking at myself on the camera instead of looking at here. I look right here. My face, okay, let me explain this to you a little better. So my face on the camera is pointed and is on this direction, and it's right here where my fist is. That's where it is. So my brothers went out to the movie theaters to go see Suicide Squad. Wait, I'm gonna make it brighter. Wait. Opening my blinds. Wait. 1, 2. Open. Oh, they're opening. See how I got like really bright? See, let me close them real quick. So they're closed, right? Okay, let me open them. Da-dun. 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 Da-dun, 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 da-dun. Wait, my wrist hurts. Dun! That failed. I don't know, I lost it. I'm just trying to make it bright. I'm too lazy to get up. It's almost open all the way. No, it's not working. I give up. Tell me in the comments if you know what that button does. So like I said, I just got back from ImagineCon, which was an overnight for Girl Scout camp. It was just a night, and so I'm back home. I went yesterday, and I'm back home today. Like I said, it was fun. We made some new friends. We made some no new friends. The friend that we went with, Tatum, she felt left out. Me and Jess. So for lunch today, I just totally changed the topic. Anyway, for lunch today, oh look, my hand. Oh look, I look blue. So I'm gonna. Sorry, I have a cat on my bed. Oh darn it. Okay. Smokey, just stay in here, because I have to shut my door now until we get the insulation up in the attic. My cat's in this, so I'm just gonna crack it like that. Because cat. And here's the other cat. Oh my god. Midnight has been sitting here all day. My phone. Anyway, the camera. She's been sitting here all day wagging her tail because the birds keep, like, terrorizing her. They're not out there right now. So right now, I don't know what she's staring at. But she was staring at something. Anyway, I needed to tell you something. So, my aunt had a cat named Tiger. It used to be our cat, but Noah wouldn't leave him alone because he was just a baby and I wasn't born yet. So we had to give him to her. And so he passed away like a week ago of old age. So she gave us some of her cat stuff. So I'm going to go through that. So this, I think, is supposed to be like a bed. It's not, I think it's supposed to go this way. But I think it's supposed to be a bed, but we're just putting the toys in everywhere. They don't sleep in beds. That's not a part of the toy. So we have this thing where if you shake it, it lights up. And then we have this mop rat thing. Oh, here comes midnight. This thing makes noise. It did. Oh no. This was ow, that hurts. This is always making the noise. Ow. Tell me if you can see the bell when I spin it. Ow, I can, but you can't in the camera, can you? Wait, you can. I'm not even spinning it in a circle, I'm literally moving it up and down. See, look. See, it starts out as being weird, and then it turns into a circular motion. I don't know. I could do that all day. So we got some cat toys. Yeah. And then we have treats too. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my gosh. So soft. Oh, and then we have another toy that she likes. Hold on. So this one is a bird. And it makes noise when you touch it. See, look. That goes in there. The lighting in here is bad. I'll just notice that. Oh, we also got this. So, we got some cat treats that are salmon flavored. And a nice little box has some treats in it as well. Yes, it's in a Nike box. Weren't the ones who put it in there. Anyway, so my hair's a mess, but guess what? I don't care. So I hope you enjoyed this just short little video. I know it wasn't much, but if you enjoyed, leave it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all next time. Bye.